Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some more photos taken with the Urban Vintage Chrome film simulation. Now, I shared a video last week on this Fujifilm simulation recipe, and if you want to check that out, I will link it up above and also down in the description below. Now, when I shared it last time, the day it was kind of like still wet, snowy, and overcast, and it was a interesting film simulation especially for those kind of environments. So if you're looking for something like that in kind of an overcast, dull kind of day, it worked really well with that. But what I was interested in finding out, and I said I would do in that past video, is head out when it's finally sunny and just see how this simulation works with the change in the light. And then it's interesting. So these photos that I took is shared, it's taken with a Fuji X-T4 with the 35mm f2 lens. These are all just JPEGs right out of the camera. The only change or any kind of editing to them were some of the photos were cropped a little bit and straighten the horizon. I have a habit, even though with the horizon line, my images are always seem to be a little bit crooked. So those are straightened out. Let me know what you think. I numbered all the photos as usual, so you can leave me a comment with what photo you like the best. So it's interesting. This one was kind of neat with the brighter skies. It definitely changes the tone a little bit of the photos, which is interesting to see. So make sure you go back, check out the other video with the overcast day. I think I like it a little bit more for that overcast kind of like grungy look a little bit more than in the sunny day. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Check out the photos. At the very end of the photos, I will leave the simulation recipe so you can try it out yourself. I will also leave it down in the description below, as well as a link to the Fuji Weekly website where this simulation is from. Hopefully you enjoyed the photos. As always, let me know what one you liked in the comments down below. Have a great week, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel and you made it this far and you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing, follow along. We share a ton of Fujifilm recipes on the channel, as well as little Fuji tips and tricks along the way. So subscribe, like, do all that good YouTube stuff. Have a great week, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.